you have to submit a birth certificate. I wonder why we do that. Why would we not allow our law enforcement officers a tool, a law enforcement tool, the same tool that we allow those who issue driver's license and passports, the ability to verify who that is?
Well, I think I've got a personal privacy right that if I'm minding my own business and I'm walking down the street, not to be accosted by a cop.
Absolutely, you do. Absolutely, Representative Carter. I agree with you, but this bill doesn't do that. This bill says...
Oh, it does. If you read 17 and 18 of the new bill, it says at any time they can stop you and ask you. I mean, tell me why I'm wrong.
Go ahead, Chris.
Can I jump in here? First point, the bill doesn't direct the police officer to ask a person or create a situation where the police officer is compelled to ask. It just says that the sanctuary policy is one that prevents the police officers from ever asking. And so what it does is it retains discretion in the police officer. That's where virtually
but you're giving him also the discretion to do it.
He already has the discretion to do it.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, every city in New Orleans, the police office. Every city in Louisiana already has this, except New Orleans now, where the police officers have always had the discretion to ask. And in fact, the United States Supreme Court in 2005 ruled specifically on that issue and said it does not violate anyone's constitutional rights if a police officer either just out of the blue asks a person his citizenship or immigration status, or in the course of a criminal investigation. It's part of determining who you are.
And what if he says no?
If the individual says, I'm not going to tell you?
I'm not going to tell you.
Then the police officer can determine at that point if he has probable cause to make an arrest. He may not. If a person says, no, I'm not going to tell you, he may say, I'm standing my Fourth Amendment rights, and the police officer would have to have some other evidence to make an arrest. But the Supreme Court has said that merely asking this